everyone, my name is Blissful Melissa, and before we jump into opening up the BarkBox, I just have to share with you this. Look what I found at Ross. Oh, it's sideways. So it's a little throw, and it has a Frenchie on it, and it says, "Too hip to hop," and it's yellow, because Easter. And so I love Frenchies, and I love the color yellow. Like, look at this. Look how bright it is. So I have that across my lap because it's a little chilly up here this morning. But anyways, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. Yeah, it's been like 2 weeks. Anyways, I had good intentions, don't worry. I filmed multiple videos, but they didn't turn out how I wanted them. Oh my gosh, and Tanya just snagged my new blanket. Thanks. It's okay, I don't really mind. It was like $8. I mean, I'm not gonna complain that much. Anyways, I hope you all are doing good, and we're just gonna jump right into the BarkBox. So the theme is the Barkies, the 99th annual Barky Awards, which is very appropriate since award season is happening. Hi, and Tobi is already sniffing. Oh my gosh, this is cute. So it looks like our first item, best vocals. So it's a golden toilet award with a little tennis ball that is pinned in there right now. Where'd my scissors go? Did you take my scissors? I brought scissors this time so I can be ready. So we're just gonna snip it open. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Let's pull this off. So we have a squeaky tan tennis ball. Do you want that? You can have that. No, he wants this. So here's the gold toilet. The lid closes and opens. It squeaks, it crinkles. Tobi's gonna be in heaven with this. He's already like, Mom, give it to me. Here, do you want it? Are you not sure? Well, we'll put the ball in it and we'll set it in my lap. So he has something to look at. Oh my gosh. What is this? So it says, "Chew are you wearing?" Get ready, Tobi. So it's crinkable, it's wearable, and it's a disc squeaker. We like disc squeakers. It says, "Behind the squeaks, wearable toy. Dress up your pup and watch them rub their butt across the red carpet in style." Can we try it on you? So one side's a tuxedo and the other side is a tiara. But you're a gentle. Ooh, you got a chunky neck. Can we, here. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Tobi, what do you think? Good thing we get the medium-sized box, or else that wouldn't fit. Do you want to wear a tiara? He says, "Not really, Mom." That is adorable. I love that. We're gonna have to show Grammy. So there's our two toys. Here, I'll put those there. Well, we're gonna move this aside. And now into the fun stuff. What is this? There's a little envelope. We'll get back to that. So treats, we have the noms for Lifetime, a chicken award, a chicken recipe dog treats with salmon. We gotta try them, you know. Tobi gets to do like a little taste test, see what he thinks. Oh, these smell so good. Oh wow, they look like cookie dough bites. Here. So as always, they're wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. And I don't know why my dog, every time I give him a new snack, he has to go eat on the floor. It's just how it goes. And then our other treats, the noms for the Golden Gobbles turkey recipe dog treat with sweet potato and kale. So last time we had a treat with sweet potato and kale. No, we had it with kale and he loved them. So here, there are little discs. They smell nice. Here. I'm like, this is like a cookie. So, and it's the same wheat, soy, corn, and grain-free. Then we got a little chew. Oh, Tobi loves these. Oh my gosh, he had it in his mouth and he heard me say we had a chew and he came running back. So this is the hard and chewy chicken stick. We really like this a lot. I've ordered these extra in boxes before. I may have ordered it extra again. I honestly can't remember. Anyways, we love these. We love chicken a lot, don't we? Sorry, I'm looking at him. He's like, Mom, I don't know what to do with it. It reminds me of those pieces if you eat Chex Mix, those brown wafers. I really like them, but I feel like that's how he feels that it is. It's like, I'll eat it, but it's not like my favorite. He really wants this. And now onto our little thing. So it came in a little envelope like this. There's a little logo. Stop. Oh, I love these things. So they're doggy Valentines. So this one has a beagle and a Frenchie, and it says let's sniff butts. Oh my gosh, they all. So there's 3 of them, and they all say let's sniff butts. And so it's Valentine's, so you put your dog's name, and it says, I'm sweet on you, I'm also sweet on BarkBox and Super Chewer. That's why I'm giving you your first month of toys and treats free. Either way you go, it's a sweet deal. And then it gives you a promo code for each one. Oh my gosh. I know they gave us these at Halloween, and I didn't give them out because I didn't know any dogs, but now we go to dog school, and I'm thinking we may give these to some of our friends at puppy school because these are so cute. Oh, BarkBox is so cute. Like, look at this. It's in its own little proper envelope. That was really fun. I love BarkBox. So I did cancel my subscription, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to start back up again. Just because I love it. I really enjoy it. Like, thinking about this is like our last box, and it's of course epic because who doesn't love like the Grammys and stuff like that. I feel like we should continue on since we're not getting the Kitnip box, which I really loved. Like, I loved that one a lot, and I know Tobi really enjoys this. He just took the toilet. He says, that's my award, Mom, thanks. And he loves it, and I think it's super creative and fun since he has gotten to that stage where he's defluffing toys now. So it might not hurt to have an extra 2 toys every month. And I love that we get like 2 packages of treats because I use these as like the special snacks. So when I put him in his crate or when I do bedtime or things like that, I use the special snacks. Like, we have snacks that we train with, snacks that we take in the car with us. Like, we have all these different treats, but I like these because they're usually bigger and they're hearty because, I mean, the weight range is like 30 to 50 pounds. Isn't that what it said? Oh, oh, this says large dogs. No, what is this for? Large dogs? This is for medium dogs. I don't know what was for large dogs. But yeah, the weight range is 20 to 50 pounds. So we are in that. But yeah, they definitely are heartier little snack for my little dude that I feel are justified to give it to him when he's gonna go in his crate for a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching though. Like, I really enjoy unboxing videos. I really do. It's just fun. Like, I don't look in them beforehand, so it's like a nice little surprise that I enjoy, and Tobi really enjoys it as well. So make sure to let me know down below if there's any other subscription box you'd like me to check out. I've been looking at a few guinea pig boxes possibly, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. We have lots of exciting things that we're up to here in 2020 so far, so it just depends how everything turns out. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.